Hey everyone, welcome. You know that feeling when you're in a foreign airport or hotel and the thought of speaking English just makes your palms sweat? Yeah, you are not alone. But today we're going to change all that. We're going to dive into 10 super simple phrases that will turn you from a nervous traveler into a total pro.
And look, it's a totally normal feeling, right? You're probably tired from the flight, a little stressed, and you're just worried you're going to say the wrong thing and be misunderstood. That fear, it can be paralyzing. But here's the secret. Having the right words can change literally everything. And I'm going to give them to you right now.
So this is the goal today, a complete and total level up. We are going from feeling kind of lost and confused to feeling cool, calm, and totally in control. And listen, this isn't about speaking perfect, flawless English. It's about knowing the exact right phrase for the exact right moment. Okay, let's dive right in. Picture this. You've just walked into the airport. Your first stop? The check-in counter. This is your first impression, your first test, and you know what? Nailing this one sets a confident tone for your entire trip. So instead of saying something like, I want to put my bag, the pro phrase you're going to use is, I'd like to check in my luggage. Why is that better? Well, because check-in is the specific, professional term the airline staff uses all day long. When you use their language, it just shows you get it. Go on, try saying it. Hi, I'd like to check in my luggage, please. See how smooth that sounds?
We've all been there. Your suitcase is just a little bit over the weight limit. Instead of awkwardly saying, my bag is too big, the pro move is to say, I have excess baggage. This phrase instantly tells the staff, okay, I know the deal, I'm ready to pay the fee. It just cuts straight to the solution. You can even follow it up with, how much will that be?
Everybody wants the window seat, right? Now, asking can I have is fine, but I'd prefer is just so much better. It sounds more polite, it sounds more fluent. Honestly, it's a small tweak that shows a much higher level of English. Try this one. If one is available, I'd prefer a window seat. It's confident, but still really respectful.
All right, so you've checked in your bags and you've scored that awesome window seat, but the airport gauntlet isn't over yet. Next up, you got to navigate the gate, immigration, and then, of course, baggage claim. So let's keep that pro-traveler vibe going strong.
So you're at the gate. Instead of asking, can I go on the plane? The official word you're looking for is boarding. Using this specific term is the absolute clearest way to ask about your flight status. A simple, excuse me, has boarding started for the 5 p.m. flight is all you need. It's clean, it's correct. Now listen up, because this next one could literally save your entire trip. If your first flight is late, you might miss the next one. That second flight, it's called your connecting flight. And trust me, in a moment that's stressful, being crystal clear is everything. You walk right up to the airline desk and say, my flight was delayed and I've missed my connecting flight. This phrase gets you help fast.
Okay, this one is super important, immigration. When that officer asks you, what's the purpose of your visit? Don't say for fun or I'm on vacation. The official correct answer you want to give is tourism. It's the key word they're listening for. You want to keep it short, sweet, and professional. I am here for tourism. That's it. Perfect.
You've made it through immigration. High five. Now, where in the world are your bags? That giant room with all the spinning carousels? That place has a name. It's called the baggage claim. Asking for the baggage claim is so much clearer than just, where are the bags? It'll just get you pointing in the right direction way faster.
You made it. You conquered the airport. Now for that final leg of the journey, the hotel. Let's make sure you have the key phrases you need to check in and get settled in like you own the place. When you walk up to that hotel reception desk, this is your golden opening line. Don't say something kind of awkward like, I'm here to sleep. Instead, state your purpose with total clarity. I have a reservation. Just follow it up with your name and boom, you're in. Hello, I'm John Smith and I have a reservation. Easy. It's your last day and you need to know exactly when you have to be out of the room. The magic word here is checkout. Simply asking, what time is checkout, is the clearest, most common, and most professional way to get this information. Okay, let's be honest, this might be the most important question of the whole trip. Instead of just asking if the internet is free, a much more professional way to put it is Wi-Fi included? This phrase is smart because it covers both possibilities, whether it's part of the room price or an extra charge. It's just a smarter, clearer way to ask. And just like that, I mean, look at this. This is your new Pro Traveler Toolkit. 10 powerful phrases to handle pretty much any situation at an airport or hotel with total confidence. Let's run through them one last time. I'd like to check in my luggage. I have excess baggage.
I'd prefer a window seat. Is it time for boarding? I missed my connecting flight. I am here for tourism. Where is the baggage claim? I have a reservation. What time is checkout? And is Wi-Fi included? You are so ready.
With these phrases in your back pocket, you are absolutely ready for your next adventure. See? Your next trip doesn't have to be just a vacation. It can be a chance to really use your English and travel with genuine, unshakable confidence. Okay, so if you're feeling fired up and want to keep this momentum going and learn even more phrases just like these, we actually built an app called Footprint just for people like you. It's totally free, it works offline, and it's designed to help you build your fluency one day at a time. The link is right there in the description. Go ahead and download it now and